So apparently, our galaxy is a cannibal. Astronomers think they've mapped out a sequence of events from 10 billion years ago that show how the Milky Way consumed a neighboring dwarf galaxy. Gaia-Enceladus was a separate set of stars that collided with the young Milky Way and was consumed over the subsequent millions of years. Now, scientists have believed for some time that our galaxy was actually made of two separate sets of stars, though exactly how they ended up together has always been something of a mystery. Researchers think they may have solved the puzzle, at least partially, by using the Gaia telescope to get precise measurements of the position, brightness, and distance of about 1 million stars. They also calculated the density of non-hydrogen or helium elements in these stars and discovered that both sets were about the same age. But they were also able to tell that one of these sets was set into chaotic motion somehow. And a galactic collision seems like the leading candidate for an explanation why. The researchers also believe that this led to a 4 billion year stretch of increased star formation, which resulted in gas that settled and became the thin disk that runs through the center of the Milky Way. They also believe that the leftover scraps from Gaia-Enceladus eventually formed the halo surrounding our galaxy. Of course, ours isn't the only cannibal galaxy out there. Our neighbor Andromeda also consumed another galaxy about 2 billion years ago, and it's on track to collide with the Milky Way in the distant future. So this discovery might help us understand what effects that will have on our cosmos. Though chances are, when that happens about 4 billion years from now, our species won't be here to enjoy the fireworks. Lucky for you though, Engadget will be around for quite a while to watch it all go down, so hey, be sure to subscribe if you enjoy what you just saw.